I have no idea how to use a gun. Let's get this intro over with.
Like many other things, some level of study and understanding is required before you make a decision. Get a new job, rent a new apartment, same rules apply to your purchase decision. Though may not as big as change of your career, still it's good to save yourself some money and get things more suitable for your needs. Especially there is tons of products to choose from. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about some shopping tips for how to choose your sling/messenger bags, meaning one-strap bags that you carry with only one side of your shoulder. So the first step is to know your need. Use this bag for commuting, biking, hiking, or bushcraft. For example, shining leather might look good at a corporate meeting, but it's relatively heavy and fragile, and will definitely get ruined if you're biking with it. The sun, the rain, the huge amount of body heat and moisture. Like bringing a knife to a gunfight, don't care how good and vintage your knife is. The cheapest gun will just kill you. After you wait out your using scenario, the list of your available products may expand or reduce. After that, do take an EDC photo or make a list of your daily carry objects. Essentially, the meaning of this step is to make sure that you know what you need to carry in this new arrived bag, and get a general idea of your ideal bag compartment configuration. After the purpose and your list of EDC has been made, you should have a general idea for your ideal bags. But there is this important matter to be discussed. That is, of course, health-related issues. As you can see, sling bags or messenger bags, they are all carried with only one strap, one side of your back. It is naturally an unergonomic design to our human form. Despite the effort manufacturers and designers put in, no matter how well designed a single strap bag is, carry too much in a single shoulder strap for too long will definitely damage your spine. Uneven shoulders and muscular imbalance is like a guaranteed result, especially if you are at a young age and your body is still growing. The danger of a heavy messenger bag will bring a heavier toll on you within a year. So what kind of size is too big, and how much weight is too heavy? I got a simple measurement system for this. Any single strap bag that could fit my XPS 50, that is too big. And if I have to carry it for a long period of time, like 30 minutes, it is too heavy and too long. For me, that is. Of course, I'm not saying that all heavy-duty single-strap bags are unnecessary. Take this Combat2000 FDAP tactical messenger bag, for example. People at the design department worked hard for this, and it is designed with some very specific goals in mind. This bag is more of a quick deploy tactical platform than your regular commuting messenger bags. It got this ballistic plate pocket with front quick open Velcro CCW or concealed carry storage, with some spare space for some backup magazines, document, packable jacket, food bar, and water bottle. As you can imagine, the full load of this messenger bag can be horrible, and definitely not suitable for long-time carry, because it was designed for urban quick reaction force. Load your gear with it. Use it as an emergency ballistic shield. Put it in the front passenger seat. Won't need to carry it for too long anyway, so the weight of this bag is relatively unimportant. Same goes for my gym bag. This big single strap bag holds my laptop, electronics, sports equipment, and so on. It's heavy, sure, but toss it in the car, from home to office to gym, A to B to C. Every time I do need to carry it, it's usually under 10 minutes, so the weight of this bag is relatively unimportant also. There is no such thing as perfect bag. You can choose one bag to cover most range of your lifestyle, but there is no single cover-all bag that could solve all your carry-related needs. My advice is just don't go heavy for your single strap bag for too long. The real important thing is to know your needs, not just I want one. Sure, random buy might be fun, but if you can do some research, try more at your local store, Then make a better purchase decision within your ideal budget. Do that instead. This is Chroma Bridges. See you next time.